Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. Today is Monday, March 1st, 2021. It's the first day of March. So, what we are going to do today is remember about going to a restaurant and how do we ask for things, or what questions does the waiter can ask to us. So, hi, may I take your order? Is something that the waiter will ask you to, so you can say to. Is the waiter going to ask you to know what you are going to eat, what you are going to drink, or what do you want mostly? So you might answer like this: yes, I would like a pizza and spaghetti. Or you can say, yes, I want pizza and spaghetti. Yes, a pizza and spaghetti please, and stuff like that. You are answering what do you want or what you are going to eat in that restaurant. So maybe the waiter will ask to someone else, anything else, or to you, anything else, something else, to confirm if that's only what you want to eat. You might answer with something as the picture, a green salad, or maybe you are going to answer, if you don't want nothing, you are going to answer nothing, thank you. This is to confirm the order. The waiter will say it's pizza, spaghetti, and green salad, right? To confirm that what you order is correct. You may answer yes, that's right, or no, I didn't ask the green salad, or no, I don't want the pizza, or stuff like that. And this can be also some question that the waiter may ask you. Do you want some water? Do you want something to drink? So this is for asking beverage. You might say yes please, no thank you, yes a soda, and no I don't want nothing, yes a lemonade, I don't know. And that will be all. So this is only so you can remember what do we say when we are in a restaurant, okay? And happy to see you tomorrow, and have a nice day. Goodbye.